Farrah, do you have it? That points to what on number 2?
That points to words.
Words. Why does it point to words?
Because it's an noun.
Because words is a noun, you're right, and that's the article that it works with. So what are the nouns then, Kendra?
The nouns are food and pig.
Food and pig. Awesome work. And we are going to single underline them because are they proper or are they common nouns, Mariana?
Common.
Common nouns, so we single underline it. Awesome job. Okay, number 2. Write down the nouns in number 2. My mom fixed the bike on Saturday. Mom fixed the bike on Saturday. Great work. Words up when you've got it. I see mom, bike, Saturday. Saturday, mom. Awesome job. Number 3. Only the proper nouns. Ooh, awesome job. Why is Kate and Challenger School? Oh, thank you. Why are they proper nouns?
Because it's a name of a school and a name of a person.
The name of a school and the name of a person. Awesome job.